If you want to edit your video on Telegram without another app, so keep watching. I told you step by step. Go to the Telegram and gallery part and select the video. There are few tools, but they're useful. But wait, Telegram isn't well at editing, but there are some tools. In this section you can crop and rotate your video. And you can change length, width, and scale your videos. You can shorten your video or where you want start. This section is brush and text. You can paint your video or adding text. There are variable brushes and stickers. You can change the color and erase the paint, but I think is not very usable. Adding a Telegram GIFs and text part, you can change the font and color, but that's useful, and this section is about graphs and colors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.